In this video, you will get a detailed explanation of how to use eSignKart. Let's start. Firstly, open the Play Store, search eSignKart and download the app. Once the download is complete, open it. There you will see some information about eSignKart. Move further and sign in with Google or Apple ID by choosing the account. Now, the next step is to register yourself to get sign up quickly. For that, you need to fill in some asked details like profession, name, mobile number 1, mobile number 2, mobile number 3, delivery email account 1, delivery email account 2, delivery address, state, city, PIN code, GSTIN and referral code if you have any. Once you are done with the filling details, click on Save Changes. Further, login will be done. And over there you can select the product type according to your requirement, and there below you will see all the brands, with validity and real-time prices. Here you will also see which of these are available and which are out of stock. Click on Add to Cart on what you want to order. Next, go to the cart section, select the quantity, and click on Proceed to Checkout. Here you will see the cart details and billing details. Further in billing details, click on Redeem eSignKart coins up to 5% of the order value to get a discount up to 5% of the order value. Once you are done with this, click on Buy Now. And you can make the payment by using Paytm, prepaid, debit and credit cards, UPI, and net banking. Once you fill in the required details for making payment, wait for around 30 seconds and do not refresh the page. And you will see the payment successful pop up. After cart, there is a history section where you can view your order history. And next, there is a help section where you can see some helpful videos. You can find it by just searching the keyword. After the help section, there is a More section. There you will see some more options like Edit Profile. Here you can view and make the changes to your profile details. Next, there will be a Raise Free Registration Request. Here you can request registration for whichever brand you want. The next option will be Direct Assistance from OEM. Here you can get the contact details for direct assistance. The next option will be About Orion Legal Supplies. Here you will see the company details. Next, option will be About eSignKart. Here you will see the details about eSignKart. Next, option will be an eSignKart Blogs. Here you can get detailed explanations on related topics. Next option will be eSignKart Web Stories. Here you can view the web stories on related topics. The next options will be a Term of Use, Privacy Policy, Sales, Refund and Cancellation Policy. Next there will be a Refer and Earn Report option. From here you can view your referral report. Once you are done using eSignKart, click on Log Out. Hope you have understood the detailed explanation of how to use eSignKart. Thank you for watching the video.